Hi guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about our senior project in Kasetsart University.
Hello, I'm Pawitchaya Chaloeijanya. I'm the lead developer of KU Eater.
And my name is Ratchaprapa Chattrakulrak, a designer and front-end developer. And we are proud to present KU Eater, Let's Find Your Food. KU Eater is a web application that is used for recommending, reviewing, and rating food in the KU cafeteria. The reason that why we decided to do this project is because cafeteria is one of the most common eating location choice for the student. But from too much of food choice, we find out that there are many students who always use the cafeteria stuck on the situation like, what should I eat? And then they have to walk around through the cafeteria just to find one meal to eat, which is a waste of time. But what if we try to pick some random store? It may not satisfy with the choosing meal. So we think it will be great if we create some platform that can provide information about menu and food store in the KU cafeteria and also can recommend the menus according to the user preference. So this way can help you make the best decision about meal in university just a few minutes on the phone.
So our approach is that we have split into 4 parts, which is data acquisition, our PLR system or personalization system. We have our backend and we have our front end. So right now we have currently done data acquisition at most, but we're currently working on the remaining 3. And here's the stakeholders that we want to talk about indirectly, which is food stall owners that they can come in and participate in our application to have their storefront on our app. And the users most likely are going to be KU, one who's associated with KU, like students or professors, but we wanted our primary target to be most of the time KU students. Now for the use case diagram, so the users are going to be able to view recommendations about their food items that they want to see. They can see the menu info, they can search for the menu items that they want, they can read reviews or even write reviews, and they can even edit their profiles to create maybe some kind of like tune their very own restriction, tune their dietary restriction, yeah. And for the domain module here, we have things that are going to be parameters for our recommendation engine, which is a menu item, of course. Inside we have ingredients, and there are going to be some dietary restrictions bind with the ingredients, so we can customize that to our liking. For the recommendation engine, we're going to use all the data and create something that we call a KNN model. We want to match the tags of the items. We want to find the similar vectors of the dish name and the ingredients. And then we're going to show it to the list of predicted recommendations. And for the recommendations, we will be predicting any dislike items are going to have reduced score, and any dietary restrictions, we're going to remove that from the user feed so the user cannot see that.
And here is a KU Eater mockup. As you can see, user can sign up and input the basic information including the dietary restriction, the meal preferences, and some sample of favorite dishes that let our recommendation engine work on the first visit. After this part, user will see the homepage which already has some recommended menu and food store aligned with their own preferences. And as you can see, we also allow user to tap the like, love, and save button, which can help us analyze more on the user preference. In above of this page, we have the search feature, which can search for specific keyword and you will find out the store or food you want in the cafeteria. And here is the food store profile where user can see the menu below, and you can tap over here to read the comment section or review and rating the store by yourself. User also can see their service store or menu here, and they can see their comment in this part. We also allow user to edit their profile like name and dietary restriction or meal preference anytime as they need. And the last part, we're going to talk about our project planning. Now we already finished 100% of designing and data acquisition part, and we are working on the development part, but Pawitchaya will focus on our recommendation system and backend part. And for me, Ratchaprapa, I will focus on developing the front end part. And that's all for today. Thank you for your attention.